Okay, so a really easy way to make money online is dropshipping. Lots of people have been getting into this lately, and I think it's a great way to make money. What you're going to want to need is a Shopify website, a product to dropship, and a severe lack of a moral compass. It's really easy to do, as I have set up a store in about 30 minutes, and it's a pretty easy thing to do. I think a lot of people can get into it, and a lot of people will do better. Number 6, taking online surveys. If you absolutely hate yourself, just go ahead and take some online surveys. You'll be in a ditch for about 30 minutes, not being able to do anything. Fuck. Number 5, scamming fat retards on Twitter. Just set up an account with a fake email and DuckDuckGo hot girls, and then go to page 3, use that as a profile picture, and tweet bullshit, and then just pictures of girls that aren't you, and put a PayPal link in your bio, and there, profit. Number 4, sell your soul to Asmodeus and make YouTube kid theme slime videos. Number 3, start a cult. Cults can be very successful. The only problem with this one is you're going to have to be somewhat charismatic, and you're going to have some good leadership skills. Duh. So let's hope your Boy Scout leadership skills come into good use here, because you're really going to need them. But it can be very profitable. You can make over $10K a month. All right, number 2, sell drugs, any type of drugs. I prefer selling meth, as I believe that is the most profitable one. And number 1, the easiest way, the oldest way to make money, prostitution. Okay, that's how to make $10,000 a month in 5 easy ways. Make sure to share, comment, then subscribe, and then report the channel.